Hey guys, today is me, Shadow Wolfie, and, today I just want to show you how to do the rain effect. And my next video may be the terrain effect. I know these are maybe pretty old, but, just in case for some people that don't know how to do it, we'll do it. So first you're going to want to go on YouTube. Okay, then you're going to want to search rain effect green screen. And you're just going to click on one. Then click copy link, and it's going to say copied and copy to clip tray. Okay, so then you're going to want to search YTMP3. Then click this one right here. It's going to say YouTube converter inside. I already downloaded the video, but here's how to do it. You're just going to click MP4 because this is the video. Then you're just going to paste the link and click convert. I'll just show you guys how to do it real quick. This is checking video, loading video. Okay. Oh, this one's an hour, but this is loading. Oh, guys, sorry. I'll do a shorter one because that one was too long. You're just gonna search a green screen effect, click share, and click copy link. And it's gonna say copy to clip tray. Then, you're just going to want to click YTMP3. Then you're going to click back over here. I'm so sorry, guys. I messed up, so yeah. Oops, sorry. Okay, so sorry. Okay. And you're going to want to click MP4 and just click paste that same link that you got from the video. It's going to say checking video, and you're going to click download. I already downloaded it, but yeah. Then you're just going to click the download button. So yeah, so once you have that, you're going to just go to kinemaster. I was working on a rain effect today. So, yeah, I was working on rain effect, so, yeah. Then you're just going to want to click that create button, obviously. Then you're just going to, you can do whatever background you want. You could even do a gotcha background, but I'm just going to go with this beach background. I don't know. I'm a little lazy, guys, so I'm sorry. Then you're going to click layer and click media and click download. And you're going to have your green screen. You're going to have your green screen rain effect thing on here. And now you're going to want to click that button right over here. This button. And just click this right here. Okay. So once that's done, you're going to want to go ahead and click chroma key. Then just switch it on. And you know how it's still green? We're just gonna... Yeah, we don't want that. Alright, sorry. Once for a chroma key, yeah, it's going to have that rain effect. Then you're just going to click key color and click, obviously a white key color. Now, to get rid of this, you're just going to want to, kind of adjust it. See? And to play around a little bit, you could also just adjust over here. Brightness, you don't want to make it bright, you want to make it like dark. You don't have to make it too dark, but if you want to, you could do this. This isn't a step you have to do for the rain effect, but I just like doing this. Vibrance, temperature, like, oh, okay. You know, you could just adjust, okay. Okay, there we go. I think that should be good. Oh, wait. Okay. There's a lot more you could do, but, you know. Sorry, I'm just going to go with this. And perfecto. Okay. I'm going to show you. Yep. Well, you did the rain effect. It's all done. You can do it better than this. Well, yeah. You could just pick any background. It looks weird and it's all greeny because the water was green, the green screen and all that. And I made it a little darker so it looks weirder. But yeah. So yeah, you know, thank you guys so much for watching. But yeah, yeah. So okay. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is how you do the rain effect. Okay, if you actually want to add a little bit of an extra, you could also go, I don't want to make the video too long, but you can download a background eraser and erase the background and just put a character. I'm gonna put this one, my Roblox avatar gotcha character. But I'm not gonna be in the water, so I'm just gonna make me a little more to sand. And yeah, this is how you do the rain effect. So yeah. I'm just gonna place. There we go. Sorry, I don't know if I'm really bad at spelling, so I don't know how to spell effects. But anyway, guys, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye. Woohoo! I hope this helped.